Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Fiesta remote type and getting a fresh CR 2032 or the battery specified for your fob. Once you have tools, pry open the shell gently with a small flat screwdriver. Use a cloth to avoid scratches. Remove the old battery with care. Note the orientation, since polarity matters. As you swap in the new cell, make sure contacts are clean and dry. Once done, snap the shell back together and keep the remote close to the car for the next step. Now you resync the fob to the Fiesta. Sit inside, doors closed, and have the key ready. Some years require the key turned to the first position while others need the key present only. Follow your model's sequence. Typically, insert key cycle ignition on /OFF, then press the remote lock or unlock to register. Press firmly and hold for a second. You should hear locks cycle or lights flash once the car accepts the remote. If nothing happens, repeat the exact timing sequence one more time. Finish by testing every function from a few paces away, lock, unlock, trunk, and panic, so you confirm range and repeatability. If the remote still won't control locks but the key starts the engine, the remote's radio module may need dealer programming or a professional reflash. Transponder problems require a locksmith or dealer. If buttons are weak, open and clean contacts or replace the plastic shell. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing registers after battery swap,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.